What's good, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So, as promised, I told you that I'll be coming with an update on my demo trading so far. So, yeah, this is the video. This is an update of the state of my demo trading so far. So, I've taken a couple of trades. And I would say that so far, the demo trading has been moving. Yeah, I've been on it, but initially from the beginning, like, I was kind of disconnected, or was it that I was not paying attention? So I was missing setups, I was not focusing, I was not, like, I would say I was just making some mistakes, right? Yeah, I was making some mistakes. So I think for the past few days or so, it's been better and I've been focusing more. So yeah, let's go through all the trades we've taken so far on the demo account. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to your friends so they can also enjoy this series. Okay, so to the first trade that I took on the account, I took that trade on 11th May on gold. That was the first ever trade I took on the demo account. So it was on 11th May. 11th May, let me go to 11th May quickly so we can check out that trade. Good. So I think this is a trade right here. The initial trade I took on the account. The very first trade. So this is it on gold. I think my reasoning was that price was reacting from here. So after this first break, second break, I wanted to enter from here, then stop loss above, then my TP for 1:5. But as you can see, price went against me quickly. It did not even waste time, it just went against me like that. So that was a trade. That was that first trade on go. And I think the second one was on US 30. Yeah. 15th May. And this is it right here. So US 30, 15th May. So you can see 15th May. And you can see, I think you can already see the reasoning of the trade. So we were bearish. This was the last break of structure we had to the upside. We continued breaking structure to this low was taken. We broke, retested here, broke, retested, broke, retested. So it was after this retest and this break of structure that I said, okay, then price wants to come back into these levels and continue selling. So I think my entry was right around here, my limit order was right around here, and my stop loss targeted at 1:5. So as you can see, just played out that way for 1:5. This is a full trade. So you can see it even gave multiple opportunities along the way. You can see we had this break, retest here, till we go to the take profit. So this is the winning trade we got, which was the second trade on the demo account. So I think the third was on 19th May. That's 4 days after, on GBP USD. Let's check that out. GBP USD. good. So this is it. GBP USD 19th May. So as you can see, I was also anticipating the shorts. And I think we've taken so much sell trade because I think so far the market has been very, very bearish. So we're anticipating the shorts. As you can see, we're selling. And so I saw this break, retest here, another break right here, price came here. So when I saw this move, I think this trade, I was looking at it from the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, this was a break of structure. So I placed my entry, my stop loss, and as you can see, price came to sweep the high, then moved downwards a little, then continued to do what it did. So you can see that the logical thing would have been to put your SL above this size. That's what many people would say. But even if I put it there, you can see the price swept. So yeah, it was a loss. I think on the 1 minute time frame, I had good reason to put my SL here. So that's it. I also learned from this as well, and it was a loss. So I think from here we took 3 more trades, or we've taken 3 more trades, which is on 2 on gold, 1 on GBP USD. So let's check the gold one. The gold one was 21st May. 21st May. 21st May. Okay, so I remember this trade, similar to that last GBP USD trade we had. So also anticipating the sells. So break, retest, break, expecting the retest to sell from down here. The prices swept all these highs before finally dumping. So I remember this trade very well. That was last week Thursday, and yeah, that's just what it was. So yeah, that's it. We lost this trade, and that's just that. So we also took another trade on gold again, which was on the 26th. I think that was this week. Also a loss right here, as you can see. Also expecting the sell, break, retest, break. So we're expecting the sell from here, then price swept. So you can see that most of these losses we've taken, the buyers was right, but price either swept or did something else before moving. So that's something I'm studying and taking note of, and I also be improving on that. So yeah, we swept, then we broke the structure. So after I broke this structure, I actually took this trade, but I didn't take it on the demo. I took it on the challenge account. So yeah, I took it on the challenge account. You can see the break of structure here. Then I placed my entry here. Then that was it. Went straight to TP. So that's it. I think there's one last trade on GBP USD, which was also 26th, because I remember taking those 2 trades the same day. And as for that one, I think the fault was from my side, because I was buying when the market was selling. So where is it? Okay, right here. So the setup was from the 1 minute time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame, you could see that there were successive high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So I wanted to join in the move and catch the buys, even though I knew it's selling, but I was thinking maybe price will come to this point of interest before going down. So I wanted to join the buys, and you can see price moved a little, then reversed on us. That was the last loss on the demo account, and so far That's it. Just one win so far, and I think 5 losses, one win. So back to break even. Yeah, back to break even. So this is a setup I'm looking at. GBP raise. This is the setup I'm looking at. I'm looking at price will come somewhere around here. Tap me in, then continue selling. So yeah, that's basically everything we've done on the demo accounts, and keep practicing, keep studying, keep documenting everything, and hopefully by the end of this 23, we are going to find something. We are going to see what the problem really is and correct it. So that's it until we refine the system, and until we are so confident in it and can execute flawlessly. We are not moving on to live trading. So that's just what it is. I'll see you in the next one, which is the weekly challenge video that will come across the way on Sunday. So stay tuned and catch you in the next one. Bye.